If you are searching for a way to leave, a way to flee, pause for a moment. What your soul truly longs for is not death but relief. Relief from pain, from loneliness, from the silence where no one listens, but that believe it's possible. Here in life. In life, you don't have to leave for the pain to fade. Call right, tell someone you're not okay. This is not weakness, it's a cry for light that still burns within you. You are not alone. Your lost ray, but the flame ain't gone. Born from the sun, you still burn strong. Don't give up your light, bro. Don't give up your light, sis. Keep shining, keep breathing, keep that light on.